All right, kind of second last one. I want to go take some pictures over there of the my camera over there from the bridge. So I got one that I have on my computer of before, and I won't have after on my camera, on my calendar. So here we are. I've walked down there before. Kind of followed the trail down there one time. Yeah, I walked down there trail one time, just kind of wandered along. All kinds of birds down here. If you're a bird watcher, oh my goodness. And the birds. You kind of look good. There are all those birds down there, and you can hear them. There's a blackbird right there. Gift from the glaciers in the backyard. They melted glaciers against drain cord. We've got the overlook as we go across the river. Hogback Trail, I've been to that for a nature play area. That's kind of cool over here. Great place to bring down, you know, whatever, 8th grade or whatever, and walk around, see all this stuff. So it's kind of cool. Rainy day. Still haven't found any. Still looking for drug money. We can find some someday. That's kind of a cool little thing right over there. Under. There it is here. We can make our wood, right? Over here. Here's another one. Sit on there, put that in your backyard, cover it, there you go. The Weave the Eagle's Nest construction. Hey, come on in here and make stuff. It's like the old days, right? What the hell? The beauty of Minnesota and a lot of other states that have all kinds of, what's this? Build an animal home construction. An animal. Alright. The log box here. What do you want to do there? Yep. Guy came by said $500 to do my yard. I don't think he looked at the whole backyard because the camera didn't go off. It's like I told him to come and talk to one of us when we got there. Like, you make an imbecile. Anyways, this goes all the way to 77. You can kind of see how water's come down there. If the water got up this high, then we have a problem, but the berm kind of helps out. And everyone's got to come down here, and you can't enjoy it, they got to tag it, you know. Right crap on it. It's a pain in the hive. Tons of birds down here. Yep, the old days, that's how they got across the river in these small little bridges, but they built the 77 over there, and then Apple Valley became to be really big, and Lakeville was more accessible. Once we got our first dog, Sammy was in Lakeville. We got her across the muddy Minnesota. You can kind of see over here. Yeah, because they're building like Banshees over there in Rosemont and Farmington are the two big cities that are building like not believe. It's kind of a cool lookout area. But you can tell how far it is. I wouldn't eat anything out of this river. There's plenty of big fish in here, but not a chance. There's a viewer here you can. Ahoy! Yeah, draft got tonight's round 2 and 3 of the draft. Well, we'll head on back. Okay, I'll go. We said the next one we'll go over to the Mississippi down there by the old stockyards. There's these 2 big pillars they want to trying to keep them there, because that was when I worked for Quality Wine and Spirits. Before I worked for him, he had bull haulers. What they would do when they bring their stockyards down here, St. Paul, they'd go back to the code of the alcohol that he would sell to liquor stores. So he ended up selling the business to Johnson. So, but that was a big place. Sportsman's Guide is there. I used to work for them a long time ago. They have a really nice store. So, went on there. It's a big berm. Mississippi's just flowing. I'm gonna go up there to park off of 42nd. I'll drive along the Mississippi. There's a lot of things I want to do this summer. Just got to make time for it. I want to go up to Lakewood Cemetery. You know, I think it's kind of fun to go to the cemeteries. Like I said in the last video, one guy got snuck into a cemetery. It's like, okay, don't sneak in the cemetery, because that's at night. That's when shit happens. So, Lamont, I've seen the guy before. He did a video on Squirmy and Scrubs. But I've been in cemeteries, but I go in the daytime. It's nighttime when the idiots get in and do stuff. So you can see over here, I walked through this one time I was down here when I was leaving the house. I was just kind of roaming around down here. But I get to go to cemeteries. I saw a nice Brooklyn Park. But the other ones you saw were kind of cool. I've been exclusively using this camera. I do like it. I like DJI, but it's a nice camera. I mean, the DJI Sport camera is nice, but this is just a GoPro 10, and I can have the get the idea of the rain and everything else on it. I get it. So yeah, you can remember that's where I walked through all that right there. Yep. Look at that bad boy, huh? Oh my goodness. All that stuff goes over here. But I remember walking through all there, up over to there. I remember, like I said, it's better than tornadoes or earthquakes or tsunamis. You know, it's gotta be blessed, man. If I can speak, read, like Dolly Parton said, her old man was the smartest man she knew. He couldn't read and write. So I can read, I can write, I can feel pain, I can walk up a hill, even though I'm 61 coming here. Well, I got life dick, but all of you out there that are houses are going away, and down in Davenport, Iowa, the old mighty mow is going over. So be thankful what you have, what you don't have, as on the holiday season, right? So the power Not the power of love, but the power of water. As Sweet Alyssa always says, and my mother-in-law, grandma always said, water finds its own level. It goes where it wants to go. Least resistance, right? If you have a lower window open in your house, that's where the police will. There was some predator I saw. He's married, and he was preying on somebody down in University of Minnesota. He's out, or before, just execute that idiot. You know, 'cause some chick was drunk. If you're gonna be running out getting drunk with your woman, go in pairs. That's all I'm saying. But I saw that in the paper. Just execute that idiot. But anyways, you guys. So the next video will be Mississippi. We'll do some of that stuff, and others. I do appreciate following along here in 2023. Just doing different stuff. Kind of exploring. Want to get the convertible out here pretty soon, but it's just a little too cold. If I had the convertible, I want to be able to drive it. So down here at the Minnesota River, the Cedar Lake Bridge. Sport radio. So, anyways, guys, we'll see y'all later. Ciao.